Sometimes, it seems like apple cider vinegar is the answer to all of our problems. For a while, everyone from YouTubers to celebrities like Kim Kardashian was dropping a quart of lemon apple cider vinegar to their water glasses. ACV brand Bragg Live Foods saw their sales skyrocket around 2018, per the New York Post, and it may not slow down, considering the many health benefits of the ingredient. Made with fermented apples, ACV has been used for centuries to treat ailments. Including apple cider vinegar in your diet can help you lose weight, reduce cholesterol, lower blood sugar, and improve symptoms of diabetes. While research is still limited, the ingredient definitely has antioxidants, and we're always in need of those. Apple cider vinegar has even seen success in skincare. Its astringent properties are said to help with acne, have led people to use it as a hair rinse. Using apple cider vinegar in your hair can be especially useful if you have a dry scalp. It turns out, the benefits of apple cider vinegar extend to our hair as well as our skin. Certified trichologist Gretchen Fries spoke to Birdie about its potential benefits, noting that the antibacterial and antifungal properties of ACV help to keep the pH level of the scalp balanced. If you're someone with a dry scalp, apple cider vinegar can especially be useful. Dandruff is a buildup on the scalp that happens when too much yeast is present on oily areas of the skin, she explained. Using a mix with ACV can help avoid that buildup. The removal of buildup can also unclog follicles, possibly reducing hair loss. It can also help coat your hair, reducing frizz and softening it at the same time. Plus, it can even extend the longevity of your dye job. To use apple cider vinegar on your hair, make sure you've washed your hair and you have a clean scalp to work with. Then, mix 5 parts of water to 1 part of apple cider vinegar and spray it on your scalp. Use your hands to massage it into your scalp and leave it on for a few minutes. Finally, rinse it with cool water. While this is a popular treatment that seems to be safe, make sure to speak with your dermatologist before you use it.